Are you looking for the best hole saw kit? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose hole saw kit with different prices, benefits and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right hole saw kit. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. LENOX Tools Hole Saw Kit. For those who value durability more than anything in a power tool, this hole saw would suit them well. It has been made to last for long enough while delivering accordingly. This monster is made for twice durability and longer life compared to the previous LENOX saws. This is a bi-metal hole saw that features the T3 technology, which enhances its durability in general. Besides that, it has been made to drill deeper while minimizing tooth loss. The teeth design is meant to penetrate metal without any problem. Here, you get a total of 20 different hole saws that deliver hole sizes from 3/4 to 4/3 inches. So, we think this is the best hole saw for cutting thick metal. There is a speed slot staircase design that assures you of easy plug ejection. Keep in mind that the saw comes with thick walls, which are the ones that prevent tooth loss. Plus, the saw has been made to remove sawdust and chips easily to prevent the plugs from getting stuck. Number 2. DEWALT D180005. Starting up on the list with a DEWALT hole saw kit. If you have been using power tools for a long time, you must recognize this as one of the leading brands out there. This unit is designed for versatility or any other demanding project. The saw kit comes with multiple bits for you to use in different applications. For that reason, you can use the saw in different applications, including electrical works, plumbing, door lock installation, or other projects. There are 11 hole saws that come in different sizes, and each of them features a double tooth design that assures you of strength and longevity. Plus, you get the saws with a special deep cut geometry that delivers fast and effective cutting. Also, there are hardened backing plates that help to prevent thread stripping, which then assures you of a long life. We love the small and large quick change mandrels on the saw kit. This will give you an easy time when setting it up. Oh, and the saw kit also comes with some replacement parts for extra reliability. Number 3. Bosch HB25M. The convenience of this hole saw is one to point out. It is also strong and would make best metal cutting hole saw. The design of the Bosch hole saw arbor is one of a kind. This one comes with a reinforced shoulder that added strength and long life. A positive lock is also on board to cut down the wobble. Along with that, you get alternating teeth sizes that enhance the performance of the saw. This helps you to cut faster and even handle prolonged use without a problem. By the way, this saw kit works with standard or the quick change arbors, which is a good thing. There is a pilot bit that will span easily into the mandrel. This is why the hole saw kit can easily handle metal and wood applications. We won't fail to mention the 8% cobalt alloy that makes the saw strong and heat resistant. And yes, this also enhances its lifespan. Here, you get 11 hole saws to serve you with your multiple projects. The threadless design will prevent the seizing up in the mandrel, which we thought was a good feature. Number 4. Diablo DHS14SGP. Last but not least, is this one of the best hole saw kit for plumbers from a renowned brand, Diablo. This one would be the ideal pick if you have multiple projects to handle and you don't want to purchase separate hole saws. This fella comes with 10 bi-metal hole saw cups that will sink through any material with ease. In terms of the cutting depth, this one offers 2 to 3/8 inches. These 8-inch hole saws are deeper than most saws out there. The best part is that this can be done in a single pass. So yes, this saw will assure you of enhanced productivity. There is a snap lock plus mandrel system, which includes a mandrel, pilot bit, and threaded adapters. By the way, the mandrel on this saw is a one-size-fits-all unit that proves to be extra reliable. There is a tool-free plug ejection that assures you of fast material removal after you drill holes on workpieces. You'll love the quality construction of this saw. It has been made to serve you for long while taking care of multiple materials with ease. Nevertheless, there are some less than common saw sizes, which means that it might also not be the universal hole saw as such. Number 5. Milwaukee 4922 to 4185. This saw stands among the best hole saw for cutting stainless steel, and it can offer you excellent usability while giving you an easy time when handling it. If you thought the 11 saws included in the previous product were many, you need to think twice. This one comes with 22-hole saws that are typically more than enough to handle your project needs. Now, what makes them even a better pick is the fact that they have been ice-hardened. In general, the saw kit is meant to serve you for long, while remaining strong enough for your projects. Furthermore, the saws come with deep gullets that let you make a super deep cut hole saw with ease. We also have to mention that the saw comes with a matrix 2x metal hole saw with metal teeth for enhanced longevity. The best part is that getting started with this saw kit is very easy. You won't even need a guide to using it. For that reason, the saw would be a good pick for beginners. The positive rake angle and radius's tooth back are other features that make this a good pick for your projects.
So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comment below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.